Hello, trading is closed on November 14th, 2019. Let's go over our calls. Called for a pattern with an early high. That's it. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. We said that it shouldn't be long before we start reversing down, but didn't have a call specifically for today. Turned out to be all right since we closed a little change. During the day, MEJT said this drop would retrace to this yellow line. Said this drop would retrace to that yellow line, said this drop would retrace to the white line, and this rally would retrace to the white line, and they all did. Well, here's what we said. We said we can't be certain at the end of the rally leg that we undercut prior lows. Hasn't happened yet, so we can't be certain the rally's over, but we think it should be over soon. Today was the day I'd been hoping for. If I'm off by a few days, I don't really care. If we do drop from here, and this wasn't the all-time high print, but it was the all-time high close, if that means anything. If we drop from here, I can explain it after the fact, but I don't have a clear reversal that was the end of this move. In fact, once again, we say it has the early low tomorrow. Tends to be a positive day. Not a guarantee. It can be a down day, but unless you drop early, it's usually positive. I was hoping to see a top. We just can't break through the current consolidation. We've just tested the upper ranges so many times that absent an early big drop, we're likely to break higher. It doesn't have to be tomorrow, but that's it's a likely can today. Even if we do break higher, I think further upside is limited by the upper Bollinger Band. I have some stuff that works at 3103 cash. That's not to say other numbers don't work too. So we're looking for a top in the area. If this is it, fine, I can explain it, but I'm not going to call it as such. And if it happens, fine. If we don't drop early, though, I think we should print at least a little bit higher. Doesn't change my call for a top in this area. I'm just not certain we've seen it yet. And that's today's call.